Good morning, Anna. Are you ready for today's trip?
Absolutely. I've never been to this farmer's market before. I'm really excited.
You're going to enjoy it. Many local farmers come here every weekend to sell fresh food.
That sounds wonderful. I like buying fresh fruits and vegetables.
Me too. The food here is usually fresher than what you find in many supermarkets
Really? Why is that?
because most farmers pick their fruits and vegetables early in the morning before bringing them here.
That means the food is very fresh.
Exactly. Fresh means it was recently picked or harvested.
I want to learn more English while we shop today.
Of course, we'll learn many useful words that you can use at any farmer's market.
Great. Let's go inside. Look at all these vegetables. Everything looks so colorful.
Yes, this stand has carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, spinach, potatoes, onions, and peppers.
They all look very fresh.
Fresh means the vegetables were recently picked and are still in excellent condition.
I see a sign that says organic vegetables. What does organic mean?
Organic means the vegetables were grown without harmful chemicals or artificial pesticides.
So many people prefer organic food because they believe it is healthier.
That's right.
I also noticed another sign that says seasonal. What does that mean?
Seasonal means the vegetables are naturally growing during this time of the year.
So, tomatoes may be seasonal in summer, while pumpkins are seasonal in autumn.
That's a perfect example. Which vegetables do you want to buy?
I'd like some carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, and potatoes.
Good choices. They are easy to use in many meals.
Excuse me, how much are these tomatoes?
They are $3 per kilo.
Per kilo means the price for 1 kilogram, right?
Exactly. These tomatoes were picked early this morning.
They certainly look fresh. We'll take 1 kilo of tomatoes and 1 kilo of carrots, please.
Okay, I'll pack them for you. Here you go.
Thank you. Wow, the fruit stand is even more colorful.
Yes, look at the apples. Peaches, strawberries, grapes, cherries, oranges, and blueberries.
Everything smells wonderful.
Fresh fruit always has a nice natural smell.
These peaches look beautiful.
They do. Try gently pressing one.
It feels a little soft.
That's usually a sign that it is ripe.
What does ripe mean?
Ripe means the fruit is ready to eat. It has the best flavor and texture.
I understand. If it's too hard, it isn't ready yet.
Exactly.
And if it's too soft?
Then it may already be overripe.
I see. So ripe is just right.
That's right.
Excuse me, how much are the peaches?
They're $4 per kilo today.
And what about these strawberries?
They are $5 per basket.
They look so fresh. Can we taste one?
Of course.
Wow, it's so sweet. And it's also very juicy. I'd like 1 basket of strawberries.
Okay, I'll pack them.
What about grapes? They look delicious.
These green grapes are seedless.
Seedless means there are no seeds inside, right?
Exactly.
Perfect. I'll take 1 bunch. Sam, look at the stand. I see honey and fresh eggs.
Yes, these products come directly from the farm.
The jars of honey look beautiful.
They do. Let's take a closer look.
Excuse me, is this honey made on your farm?
Yes, our bees collect nectar from local flowers.
That's amazing. So this is pure honey?
Yes, it is 100% pure, with nothing added. It is natural.
I understand. Does every jar taste the same?
Not exactly. The taste depends on the flowers the bees visit.
That's interesting. Can we taste a little?
Of course. Here is a small sample.
Wow, it's smooth, sweet, and delicious. I think we should buy one jar. One medium jar, please.
Certainly.
And these eggs look very fresh too.
They were collected this morning.
What is the difference between these eggs and supermarket eggs?
Farm eggs are often fresher because they go straight from the farm to the market.
That makes sense. How much is a dozen eggs?
$6 per dozen.
A dozen means 12 eggs.
Exactly.
We'll take 1 dozen, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. I can smell fresh bread.
This bakery stand is always popular.
Everything looks warm and fresh.
Look at those homemade loaves of bread.
What does homemade mean?
Homemade means it is made by hand, not in a large factory.
I like homemade food. It feels more special.
I agree.
Good morning. Would you like to try our fresh bread?
Yes, please.
This is our homemade whole wheat bread.
It's soft and very tasty. Do you bake everything yourself?
Yes, we bake fresh bread every morning.
That's wonderful. What kinds of bread do you have today?
White bread, whole wheat bread, sourdough, and cheese bread.
I think we'll take 1 whole wheat loaf.
Good choice.
I also see some pastries. Those look delicious. What kinds do you have?
We have croissants, cinnamon rolls, blueberry muffins, and apple pastries.
Everything looks so good.
Which one do you want?
I'll take 1 blueberry muffin, and my friend will have a butter croissant.
Great choices. Here you go.
Thank you. Everything smells wonderful. I think we have everything on our shopping list now.
Let me check one more time, just to make sure we didn't forget anything.
We bought fresh vegetables, sweet fruits, local honey, fresh eggs, and homemade bread.
That's right. We also learned many useful English words while shopping today.
Yes, shopping at a farmer's market is a great way to practice English in real situations.
I agree.
That was such a fun morning.
Yes, farmers markets always have a friendly atmosphere.
I enjoyed talking with the local farmers too.
Me too. They were happy to explain where their products came from.
Now I understand words like fresh, organic, local, seasonal, ripe, and per pound much better.
Those are very useful words when you visit any farmer's market.
I also learned how to choose good vegetables and sweet fruits. Everything we bought today looks delicious.
I can't wait to make a healthy dinner with all these fresh ingredients.
Me neither. Shopping here was much more enjoyable than going to a regular supermarket.
I agree.
I'm really happy we came today.
Me too. Let's come back next weekend and discover even more local products.
That's a great idea. Let's head home now.
Let's go.